And I believe you also performed at the Lincoln Center in New York. And of course, you've also been asked to teach at the school.
Julia.
The Juilliard School, yes. So can you tell us, did you really teach there and for how long? Or did you send some disciple of yours? For how did it all happen? Because Lincoln Center, somebody...
They asked me to stay there as the director of dance section.
Okay.
And teach your dance here in Juilliard School.
Okay.
Then I was very keen. I was not keen to stay here in New York. I wanted to stay in India and popularize this dance all over the world.
Okay.
I
Just told the director.
You know what we should do? We should send you again and take tariffs from America now for your dance, isn't it? It's like priceless.
Yeah, but then
We should charge them duty. Yeah.
see, then it was like he ran away from home.
Yes.
And that is also a big story that he ran away because of we belong to the Zamindar family, landlords. We are Reddys, right? So even the Reddy community was not willing to accept us or say that they are related to us. So until 1974-76,
Okay.
till they discovered that it's respectable, from good families people can dance. But everybody saying
Basically, there's a thing that nothing succeeds like success.
success, absolutely.
Jo jeeta, wo sikandar. Simple. Yeah. So then you taught there at the Lincoln's at the
He didn't teach.
Yes.
He refused to teach. He said, I ran away from home to become a dancer. I don't have to be bounded.
Yes.
So he was like, that was way back in 73.
73. Okay.
So
And after 73, you also, I think, had a at the gala event in Japan.
which is All-Star Gala.
Yeah.
event.
That's right.
22 artists from all over the world.
Yes.
We were the only Indian classical dancer.
Before that, in 82, I think Prime Minister Indira Gandhi,
Yes.
she organized a program for the
The one movement. Yes. Yes. Yes.
there in 82. Yeah.
Yes. And that was a very prestigious event because I remember seeing it as a child in school.
Yes, the 6 dance styles were presented, and then among 6 dance styles,
We were chosen.
Cuban's president,
Okay.
Fidel Castro, he has selected our dance.
Okay.
He wanted our dance.
He said, I want these couple in my country.
Okay. Okay.
We went.
So you all went.
Our item after our item.
So what happened was, they went all the way.
So he requested, and Indira Gandhi agreed, and he has sent some state ministers with us, take care of Raja and Radha.
And even a member of parliament, Margaret Arba, was also sent. The one minister went. It was the
It
delegation.
was delegation representing India.
He just wanted that these couples should perform in my country, and it was very sweet. He had in our honor one reception also.
Okay.
And
We called it our concert and kept it
Cuban
on.
president has been 3 days continuously with
Your dance.
and with our permission, he recorded our program also there.
So it's then Cuban history. Yeah, that's true. It's true. You
Yes.
should get the archives of it and keep it at least. And we have the photo. Have some on, yeah. So when I'm going to ask him. to share.
How we got Padma Shri, for your kind information. After that, after performing in Cuba, we went to New York performing.
No, we
Yeah.
got another.
I believe he also said that I saw the entire India in then
Yes.
their performance.
That he wrote.
Yes.
Yes, complete.
So that's why you're here when Angie's India.
Padma Shri. He wrote to Prime Minister.
I believe he was responsible for when he wrote that letter to Mrs. Gandhi, that triggered off the Padma Shri award.
Okay. And you got the Padma Shri in which year?
1984.
84.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, the first couple, and they created a history because usually they don't give it to one family.
83 we were performing in Cuba, 83.
Okay. Okay.
No,
What have we got?
83, we went to South America. We did a lot of countries in South America. Then we came to America. We were out for 4 months. That's how we traveled.
Yeah.
So we came back on Jan 23rd, 24th, something like that.
20. So and then
Beautiful welcome.
Padma Shri we got in 84,
yes.
and
That was when the year which she was assassinated, I
Yes,
think.
yes.
And that's the year you got in before, yeah. So some part of your journey is written by Karan Singh ji and her, I think.
Yes.
This
yes.
in the
See, we were art encouragers. See, we
and
are
they love
artists.
promoting, yes.
We are artists. whoever patronizes us, we are there. Like my husband was asked to join politics.
Yes.
He was offered Rajya Sabha.
Of course, yeah.
And then all that he refused. He refused, saying that other than dance and art, I don't understand. Whoever is encouraging me, I'm there.
Yes.
That's it. I want to dance and I want to dance. That's it.
And this was in 84, and after that you got the Padma Bhushan as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, Padma Bhushan also how we got for you can get permission. Single performance in Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Acha, which year was this?
Where,
2000.
no, 19.
What do you got?
In
You got-
2000 we got Padma Bhushan.
2000.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. And after seeing her, he was a great scholar.
Yeah, very
Scholar.
Yeah.
After seeing her performance, he said, we have to give Padma Shri. Padma Shri they got.
You have to give even.
He said,
Yes.
no, Padma Bhushan will give.
Padma Bhushan also, it was first, only one was being considered. Then वाजपेयी जी खुद बोले कि अरे आपके भाई ये सब पूरे रात जगे रहे, हम आपको दोनों को देने चाहते थे पद्म भूषण.
Okay.
So sweet of him.
Okay. So you got the Padma Bhushan 2000.
He recommended, and but time for your kind information, they've already confirmed to other dancers, Kathak dancers. Those they used to do the inquiry, send police and other inquiry. They don't
Yes.
have any false accounts or these things now.
Those are the criteria for a Padma Bhushan.
You have to be a clean citizen with clean records.
Yes.
All that they did, but of course, as I said, it was one was being considered. Then Vajpayee ji said to the whole night they stayed awake just to give it to both of them. जैसे कि इन्हीं को कपड़ों को देते हैं, एक को देके वो अधूरा ही रहे.
Adura, that's nice. Yes. So, so 2000 was the year of the Padma Bhushan. Now, after that, from 2000, did you perform in any other international performances after the year 2000?
Many.
Okay.
As I said, see, we have been like Rajaji said, I just want to perform. No records kept.
Yes.
It's just like they go with the flow.
The go with the flow.
Flow is happening.
Yes.
And that's
Life, God sent you with a purpose. And
yeah, that's what he was.
yes, that is only.
And of course, we have been performing all over the world, continue to do it, and continue to do it now also through our troupe called Raja Radha Reddy Troupe.
No, but okay.
So choreography
and your heart does. Yeah.
the choreography is of course his.
Yes.
We are very blessed to have two daughters who are the same profession.
Yes, that's very, very lucky because they'll take it forward in a new generational way.
So they are also doing their own solos and
with your blessings because you think ahead of times like you did when you were young.
yeah.
And I'm sure you'll also encourage them to think.
They are doing excellently well.
Okay, what exactly are they doing, your daughters, and how are they taking the dance forward in today's new age, Gen Z generation?
The continuity is there. We got institution.
Yes.
Here we teach. But even my daughters also, they got offers from many rich people. They wanted to marry my elder daughter from a very rich family, and younger daughters also, very rich family from Hyderabad and
Sri Lanka.
Yes.
But they were not interested. We don't want to say it. We want to stay in dance. And after seeing my elder daughter's dance, one fellow, he just yes,
Proposed to
Actually, there were any proposals for our daughters, but they were very clear about one thing, that they want to continue dancing.
Okay.
Anyone who was willing to allow them to pursue their dreams, we were pro that person.
Yes.
To be part of our daughters' lives.
Okay.
And we are very blessed that both of them are doing excellently well. Only Kuchipudi, like for instance, our elder daughter, she is having the same institute, Natya Tarangini, in Hyderabad, another branch in Jubilee Hills. She has very many students.
Right.
She has her own troupe. She does solos, she does groups.
Right.
And she has got national award also.
Okay.
God's blessing, she's doing very good. So is the younger one, Bhavna Reddy, who is also doing excellent work. She is also national awardee.
Okay.
And she is also teaching. But as you were mentioning, catering to the she is catering to the global audience and global
So Bhavna's catering to the global audience and Yamini is catering to the Hyderabad and Indian audience.
Yes.
Now, as you know, we all are living in a new generation with AI, with online, and faster beat remixes to all the old good songs we all had, or probably even before we were remixes. So do you say, because you like movement and you understand futuristic things, as you told me, which actually I did not know about you, and I got to know today, and I'm blessed to know that. And I'm very happy to know that. So do you see your dance troupe and your daughters tomorrow becoming like a Indo fusion form of Kuchipudi dance, maybe performing in some performance like any of the popular stars of the world today? Do you see that like a choreography and their solo performances?
That has already happened.
Okay.
Like, for instance, our younger daughter, she has already collaborated with New York dancers and with LA dancers.
Okay.
And also like collaboration we were talking about. Like, for instance, Bhavna has also done Western music. She used to have her own band where she was doing fusion.
Okay.
So it's a Western music with Indian classical dance happening. Not just her father did it too. Abdul Kalam ji, when he was the president of India, she gave his poetry to him.
Okay.
And he said, Raja, can you do something about my poetry?
Okay.
So it was in Tamil and in English. Then he said, Tamil I will not do, but I will definitely think about doing it in English.
Okay.
So during his presidency, so he sat on that lyrics for quite some time, in fact. Then he sent his ADC and his very close friend, Mr. Karthikeyan, who was the CBI director then. He said, I have given my lyrics to Raja, but he has not done anything about it.
Yes.
So
what did you create out of
he collaborated with the Gussie Rick was the person in those days who was to do Western music and teach a lot of the Western music.
Right.
So we asked him to choreograph or compose the song in Western music, and we did not compromise on Kuchipudi. We kept our Kuchipudi intact, but we dabbled with the Western music.
Okay.
So this was already done. So as I said, that he's very forward thinking and he's a very progressive man. He thinks kyun bandhan mein rahe? Why not explore?
Yeah.
And again, my daughters are also believing in
that.
Like, for instance, George Harrison's song, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, song, very famous song.
Of course.
So he choreographed that also. His wife Olivia was here. Of course, she loved it.
Okay.
Her elder daughter, she performed.
Yeah, that's very
So this is like, art knows no bounds.
No boundaries, yes. And in fact, art and culture bring even people together. It's like you are, when you're dancing, you don't care which religion person is standing, you're just enjoying and dancing with the flow. So that's what it binds everyone together. I want to ask you another question. We are moving into this world of online, and some people believe that when you have a school, you teach the kala, the nritya, the dance in person, or your daughters will. And now there are lots of online classes, whether it's yoga or whether it's ballet or whether it's, even makeup classes or 100 other things. So do you ever feel that you or your daughters would like to go into online classes? And can you learn dance to that perfection and discipline in online?
Yes.
Discipline also.
Yeah. It teaches also perfection, see.
Okay.
See, online, there's little difference in the time, you see. The student from America is learning from, here. The time is little difference. But the perfection.
Always run. Okay. That was the...
I know.
Yeah.
We know that.
See, again, I would thank the COVID period.
For that.
Is the one which made us switch to online.
Okay.
We had no other option but to ask the students to come, because there were so many practiced learners who wanted to still continue. And also parents felt during the COVID time,
How to keep them busy.
sane.
Yes.
And also kept them busy because we were all confined, right?
Now my daughter is teaching online now to many students from America.
Yeah. Our younger one, Bhavna Reddy, is catering to global students.
Only online.
Only online she does. She does no offline.
Offline. Out.
And again, there is one glitch in this. The point is like you have to work double. You have to give more attention.
I so agree with you.
It's really difficult, you know.
I find in person is much faster.
Yes, I don't like the online class.
Even I don't like online. I'm a bit old.
Like, you know, when you're watching in person, you get the total picture of 10 people at the same go. But here,
And the aura and that's something which just
bar, how much are you going to, concentrate? You are gluing yourself, you're straining yourself. It's very
stressful. Yes.
But my younger one only loves going online. She says, Ma, if I do online, that means I can travel around the world.
Yes.
And I continue to teach. There's no break that I'm giving.
So, and the older one likes to do
She likes
performance.
She likes
Offline like all of you. Okay. So you do feel that you already in that and you feel there is a future of kids like online classes.
We are very strict.
Yes.
We are not very easy gurus. So
No, only if a guru is strict. It's like they say the boss is bad, but the boss is bad because he wants perfection.
yeah, but this way, badnaam.
You don't have any. Yes, I totally agree. You become bad if you want, perfection.
And the bad cop, she's a good cop.
Okay.
You have to go with the time actually.
Yes.
But everybody likes our
And
Yeah.
students from Canada and we know like New York and other cities, people want to learn, so they have to learn only by online.
On online, yes, there is no option.
very particular. Like I'll tell you, for instance, Pania Qureshi is there, right? Pania was studying in Washington, so she would come all the way in summers and in winters to learn dance. But of course, once she moved, she started continuing. But there was another 2-3 girls who were like, after seeing them on the cover of a book, they said like, we only want to learn from Raja Rat.
Right, yes. So another thing, every guru, like whether you go to a good school or a good college, there's a fees to every guru and dakshina to every guru and all. There must be some people who cannot afford your fee. And are there any scholarships or some corporates are sponsoring? There must be some people who cannot afford your fee. And are there any scholarships or some corporates are sponsoring?
No corporate are sponsoring, but we definitely give scholarship to those students because we want to cater to all sections of the society. So we want to give this art to everyone so that this art can live on.
Yes, exactly.
See, we alone can't do it.
Yeah,
We also live
forward
through our students.
Yes.
The art lives through
people. Yes.
with time.
Yes, that's right. There is another thing, as you know now, everyone's talking about AI. And do you feel a robot performing Kuchipudi dance ever or trying to even 50%? It will be a shame, yes. But I totally agree.
How mechanical and how
Impersonal and no soul.
Yeah.
Cannot-
No soul.
No soul. Yes.
performing.
What do you feel?
They cannot do it.
AI. Artificial intelligence will or robot.
When I tell him in the news, say AI है, कहते ये AI है, I said हाँ ये AI है.
What do you feel? आप बताइए.
We don't feel like artificial.
Yeah. Artificial is artificial.
Artificial.
Artificial, yeah.
Performing arts is something which you are feeling from the soul, from the
Yes,
heart,
from within. Yes.
within. And it's like masters like them.
Yes.
They improvise on the spot.
Yes.
It's not like everything is fixed.
Like our show, it's
like spontaneously it's just moving.
Yes, it's just moving.
Now AI karega, AI jawab dega, so everything is very
fake,
organized.
Yeah.
So
Yes, I totally agree.
there's
Yes.
no soul in it.
Yes, I don't know. I wanted to ask you this. Another thing, now that I know that you love movies, and which I learned today. So, if any has any producer in the Hindi or Bollywood or Tollywood or any other cinema or international asked you to perform, act them in their movies and do like, like either good musician or they want someone special to come and do one number or which will make their movie a hit. So has anyone asked you, and if anyone asked you, will you agree?
We did.
Okay.
Yeah. No, they did ask. Dasharatha Reddy garu. People asked you to perform in movies.
Yes.
They have asked you to do choreography in movies, right? K. Vishwanath and all, they approached you, right?
Yes, if they ask in Kuchipudi style, we can choreograph.
You would do it. Yes. Why?
He was
I
asked.
still said.
Rajan, like,
No, after seeing our
with the flow in line.
After seeing our performance, this actor N.T. Ramarao was very mesmerized.
Yes.
So he did in one of his films. We did
N.T. Ramarao.
the Shah. Yes,
N.T.
yes.
Ramarao, the senior one.
Okay.
There was one particular music, and everybody said that if anyone can perform to it,
this,
it's only
him. Yes.
at 4:30 a.m. in the morning, he calls up and says, and he has a way of talking.
Of talking. Yeah.
Yeah, वो बड़ा dialogue मारता है. Actually, he was like, yeah, I will not do it. He said, you're the only one who can do it. Of course, they did that.
Yes.
For K. Vishwanath, he was very keen, Chiranjeevi, when
Yes. What about
movies, one movie on Shiva he was doing.
Yes.
He came all the way to request him, can you choreograph for this movie? He said, I'm already committed to go to America. My programs are all fixed.
Oh.
So I cannot do that. For instance, Didi was asked to do Silsil movement. There was a Telugu movie,
Okay.
जिसका हिंदी में बना था सरगम.
Yes. Yes.
उस movie में they asked her to. See, we were never interested in Tollywood and Bollywood.
Yes.
For me also, they wanted me to also act in movies.
Mm.
So we always wanted to only be in classical arts.
Yes.
Respected command, and we only want to perform on stage.
Stage. Okay.
Not to be
Yes.
celluloids. We don't want to be captured.
Yes. There's also that's coming to movies. Like I think if you say that song Natu Natu, which is big hit, is also from the south. And the both eras.
Very vivacious.
Vivacious. Yeah. So also there's a new form of dance there again.
Yes.
Coming from south of India.
Continue.
Yeah. Acha.
What he does, he's very, he's quite not with us. So remember that what he made us remember Reddy Garu, to senior students, he said, beta, ye sab movement karo. He made them do all the movements. And ek hafte ke baad he says, acha, aaj the one I taught you, ab karo. Kajara re. And the students were having a blast. He said, Guruji, aapne ye sikhaya mere. Yaad hai?
No, but I also one other thing I would like to ask is that when you have now movies, you've said you've been asked, there's so many wedding businesses huge in India, and people are calling performers from out of India, whether it's someone in music
Perform.
or they're calling someone for doing ballet or doing different shows which are always in Las Vegas. Has anyone asked you, or would you be open to it? Maybe after hearing the show, a lot of offers come to you.
No marriages.
As why? No marriages, not even someone special who you know?
No, actually we
No?
not ready. Maybe Brahmins they don't खानदान की बात करके actually we like to only perform on stage where there's a proper audience, proper seating. We don't even perform for conferences where even the drinks are served.
Sure.
They're very particular.
Okay.
So शादियों में तो it is all about fun. And I think for fun वाली चीजों के लिए Bollywood is the best.
The best, yeah. So you like to keep a distinguished, fine line. Maintain that dignity of, yes.
Yes.
That's right. That's so true.
Yes.
And that's what you have had. And one thing I'm going to also ask you, you three make such a nice, compatible, friendly couple. Can you tell us and teach us how to gel with one nice big family and teach and grow the legacy? How did you meet? I'm sure you always had seen him as a child as well, and with such a great personality.
She's my sister.
I know.
She would give her my guardians.
Yes.
As I told him initially,
Yes.
the way he was dancing, I was conducting the music. The conductor,
Right.
at the last minute, he backed out.
Yes.
So they said, then the organizer said, your sister-in-law knows how to. So she should be able to conduct.
Acha.
Now, I was by force taken. I went. Then I saw how all the ladies were mesmerized. The way they were frocking him. That is when I said, मेरा जीजा बड़ा सुंदर है, अच्छा है. I fell in
पहले
love.
नहीं सोचा, हाँ? So, okay.
That's when I fell in love and I proposed.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's how we got married. And more than anything, I feel the art is keeping us bound.
Yes, as I said,
It's a love for
it binds India, it binds people, it binds families.
Yeah,
We are very relationships.
about art. We are into, to be frank, we are in a different world. We are in a blissful state.
Yes.
We are in an Anandam state. We don't have a time
Time for all these petty things. Yes. If you look at the bigger picture and the bigger.
bigger picture, the things that were happening in life were so big.
Yes.
That we never had an opportunity to think about these things.
Yes.
So we were just going with the flow and enjoying our lives. Bhavana likes me. Yeah, me like her daughter loves me and my daughter loves her.
Oh, perfect. That's what I said. It's the passion, the love, and the kala and the nritya, which brings our country together and brings families and relationships. Now, of course, I'm going to ask our Black Shiva for a few steps. You can perform a little dance for us. I'll be really grateful. Yeah, and उसके बाद आप चली, but first.
No, only get.
Arey, the Parvatis have to be with the Shiva. Dance again.
I have always not danced with him.
Okay.
That is one line I never cross.
Okay.
I only said,
She wanted to marry. But that's why, right?
dancing.
Yes. Chalo, good.
Yeah.
That's I'm very happy to hear. Everyone has to. Right. Yes. Ab bilkul sahi. So great. So that's lovely. And I'm going to, of course, continue. But I want to have a little dance, and then I'm going to come up with a rapid fire. So I'm also going to ask you now, so you've told us about the AI, you've told us about online courses, your daughters, how they're going to take the legacy forward. Are you going to now do some performance for India to remember? Is that something that we've had an artist like this, and who can even at this stage of his career, who after being so successful, do something in the coming years? If we ask you to do something special.
Now, of course, we'll do.
Yes?
Yeah.
You will be, yes.
Talk about performance.
And it's never ready.
Yes, is always ever ready.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Ever ready is always ready. That's a good one. So I'm going to take a little rapid fire, and I'm going to start with the first one. Obviously, Kuchipuri, Kathak or ballet. What do you think is the dance of the future?
Kuchipudi, 100%, because it has all the elements that are required, which are there in the others.
Okay.
They do not have what Kuchipudi does.
We don't.
No, a dance for the future. What do you feel will happen 10 years down the line?
See, as I said, dance knows no boundaries. It's a universal language, and Kuchipudi has a vast variety of elements in it, which no other style has, the one you have mentioned right now.
Okay, so you moved from South India to North India, and you've been successful, of course, all over India and, of course, globally. If you have a choice to live in North India or South India, which will you pick?
North India, we are more at home.
And all of you.
India.
South India. Sir?
Yes, South India is different, but
Where would you like to stay? Where would you like to stay now?
Now.
There's like,
I like to stay in Delhi and in Hyderabad. Both.
That's the reason. That was the reason.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because the older daughter's in Hyderabad
and
the
the
younger
younger one
daughter's
is here.
So he was to shop.
Between the
No, I want to live only Hyderabad.
Okay. If you had one performance and you had one date and you can't give that to anyone, would you perform it? And you had an invitation from maybe for a very powerful government function in India on one overseas. I know it's a tough one because you love your country.
Everywhere.
So you had that one day and you had to choose. It's like
And one day
He will
I get
definitely
two
go for his
invitations. No?
country.
you would do
Would you choose a concert abroad or if it was clashing with that
the
particular
date.
day?
Yes,
He would definitely do it for India.
Yeah.
for India.
Yeah. His 100%.
Yes, that's your heart and soul. And would you have, if you have to say that out of all the Indian politicians who since when you started since when you started your dance from 1950 till now, which of the 5 politicians would you say promoted dance and art and culture more than anyone else? I'm not going to take names because it's controversial.
That's where I am.
Yeah, I'm not taking a name, but that is any name. So who do you feel?
Yeah, if I don't
No,
want to.
we would say anyone who stands for the arts. Yeah, different governments have stood for the arts, have encouraged in their own
way. Yes.
in their own way.
Yes.
So as long as the art is living, as long as the art is being encouraged, and art which the whole world is appreciating and proud about India. So we stand for all the governments. All the governments have done their own bit. Yes.
Okay. If you had to go on a vacation, would you prefer Italy, south of France, Cuba, where you've been many times, or India?
She's happy. It is room.
You don't want to go out anymore. You've traveled enough.
He doesn't go.
He's traveling happy.
We took him for a holiday once.
Okay.
And what did he do? He went into the toilet. He did this choreography. He came out and said, "Acha, I've made this change in the item. Can you do it?" We said, "This is the holiday." So then we decided he should never be taken for a holiday.
Okay. Food, music. I'm not going to say dance because that's obvious. Food, music, movies, or reading a book. Which one would you like the most? Food, music, eating good meal.
Food, water.
Food, music.
Other music, if you have to choose music, food, or movie,
or a book. Which one would you choose?
Which one would you choose?
Music. And which one would you choose? If you had to choose.
I like food.
And which one would you take?
Movie.
Okay, all three of you are different. Okay, so all of you watch a movie, eat food, and listen to the music in the movie as well. So all in one. Great. So I think it's lovely having you on the show. And I'm, of course, going to have a performance by you. And I'll have to have both Radha Reddy ji and Radha ji today, both to perform and give a small, at least 1 minute performance for us and for everyone to see in the years to come. Thank you so much for coming, and I'm really happy to have had all of you today. I'm blessed. Thank you. So these are my guests today, and I'm so happy and proud to have them at my show, Angie's India today. They've shown that, as I said at the start of the show, that it's not only if you become a big businessman or an industrialist that you can make your country proud. It's your talent, your art, your culture, and your passion. You can show the world that this particular subject or performance or dance can make you a worldwide celebrity. You don't need to have deep pockets. You just have to have passion, commitment, dedication, and of course, the will to perform and the will to bind and bring your passion to life and make India proud. So thank you for watching this show and look forward to seeing you on the new episode of Angie's India.